We're back again with our backtesting strategy on KU with smart money concept. First thing first is market structure. You can see how the break of structure to the downside, and then you had the change of character to the upside. Then you understand that this is our swing low, and swing low, and this is our swing high. From swing low to swing high, that's our trading range. And secondly, we have to know about our equilibrium, our golden zone. Then we can have our order block here, but we have already demand zone here. We have our order block, which is the demand zone, but have liquidity above it. Just our order block demand zone is just there. Then our plan is very simple. Wait for the price to come back here, then you get confirmation, then we try to target this swing high. Then we get our confirmation, we got the tap and the pullback, then we got 50 minutes for our entry. And then our stop loss is very easy. You can press our stop loss here aggressively, and you can press it here, but I prefer here. The bot risk reward, then I first target 12415, TP1 125, and then I will hold the rest of 25% of my profits to swing high. Then it's just a waiting game. Let's see what really happened. We didn't get tagged in. I have to be patient. Didn't get that tap, but it's okay. Sometimes the price is going to leave you, right? And you're going to hold your order limits only to be filled in London session or New York session. It depends on the pair. You see. What time is it? Just need to wait. You see. Then you get that break. There's no need to keep your limit orders throughout the night. If those limit orders are not filled during those 2 sessions, delete them, right? And then this is our sell breaker block, right? Then you can go to 1 hour. Then we see if we can get it. Then you got a tap. In a tap, let's see. What time is it? It's late, it's night. Asian session. Then it's early in the morning. Then we get our entry. Yeah. Such a big stop loss. But let's see what really happened. Get a clean tag. Then move our stop loss to break even. is 1 to 2 pips. We almost hit our break even, and we hit it. Yeah, then this is our 15 minutes. We got 15 minutes. We know external is bullish, then internal external is also bullish, but it shifted to bearish, right? And we had our supply zone here, which this supply zone was disrespected and then became our demand zone, and also demand zone was disrespected. So have our and if you miss any trade, please don't rush to put in trades. Don't try to gamble into yourself, right? Don't try to gamble yourself into the market. Just be patient. If you have the skill of trading, you get unlimited opportunities, right? And even you miss out some opportunities just because you're on vacation with your family, birthday parties, stuff. But the most important thing is to master the craft. Let's see. Yeah, the demand zone was disrespected, and then you got our shift realigning with our external structure, and then we need to see 30 minutes. Let's see. And also it was disrespected, so we need to check out for our last sell to buy, which is this one here, or we can have this one here. Let me have a clear. Let's first see. You also have this demand zone here. That one. Yep. Also have this one. Sorry, supply zone. Also have this supply zone. This supply zone here. Just need to find out which one is valid with high probability. You go the tap and we shift down, then you went up and then tapped into that one. That means we had news. Had a very clean reaction. Then you have that tap. Let's wait for confirmation. "30 minutes confirmation," right? Yeah. It's late. London New York session is going to close, but you can try to take it and see what really happens. If you take a trade towards, yeah, you can see it. But now it's just managing risk and see what really happens. You're collecting data. It's fine to break some rules. We're out. It's already getting late. London session has just closed. You see, now it's pulling down. It was a clean one. We need to push it back and we see what really happens. Stop loss here. Take profit was here. Sometimes the market is just there for you. Sometimes even outside your trading session. Sometimes even outside your trading window. Right? But like in the live market, I won't take this trade at this time. Right? But sometimes you can take it, but with a minimum risk, because it's not an A+ setup, but with an A+ results, right? Because of what? Because of only one thing. The external structure is bullish and the internal structure is also bullish, is also bearish. No, the external structure is bearish and the internal structure is also bearish. So we take that clean trade and up to our, let's see if we hit that dip. Yeah, clean. So you can check out 1 hour. Haven't broke here. Yeah, that's it. I think it's this one. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this one is the first break. And this one is our break of structure to the upside, then shifted again, the downside, external structure, and then you had the pullback, and then continuation to the downside. Then this one is not a pullback. Let's go to 15 minutes for our external structure and we see 1, 2, 3 here. Confirmed. This is how the price action is missing on live account. That's why you need to forward test, you need to back test, and you need to have a proper proven system. Right? Let's sell to buy candle. Condensation opened and then boom. No, it's not. Now this inducement here. We tap into the inducement, then we tap into our supply zone. You haven't got that confirmation because you need a candle close break from here. Then we sell. At what time is it here? It's evening, but you still have time. Come on. Yeah, now this one is invalid. Have a break of structure to the upside. And then let's go to 15 and see. This breaker block, was it 1 hour? Was it 30 minutes? Yeah. We need to have a clean. And then we see that now this is invalid. And now I need to see this last break. It's also this one. This is my demand. That's my demand zone. That's my demand zone. What time is it? It's 5 in the morning. 5. Yeah. Then had a continuation break to the upside. At the end of the session for 2022, I review our P&L for a year, and you see how really this strategy works and the profit return. Then this is our demand here. Demand zone. Tap, tap. Then a continuation.